Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a rocket while we learn Spanish. Rockets are used for space travel. Space in Spanish is ESPACIO. The drawing is looking very good. Do you know how to say rocket in Spanish? COHETE. Very good! Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We draw some stars. That in Spanish is said ESTRELLA. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Now we use the gray color, that is said, GRIS. Let's go with the blue color, that is said, AZUL. Now let's paint the wake with the colors of the rainbow, which in Spanish is ARCOÍRIS. Let's go with orange, which in Spanish is NARANJA. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's go with the blue color. That is said, AZUL. We use purple, which in Spanish is MORADO. Let's go with the violet color, which in Spanish is VIOLETA. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!